Welcome to Grumpy Angel Designs channel for Louie the cat. Meow!
Louie perched on the counter's edge, tail swishing like a painter's pledge. Eyes wide, the world turned strange and new. What is the shiny thing you do? Drip, drip, drop, oh Louie, stop. Water dances, it just won't flop. Drip, drip, drop, a liquid loop. Louie stares like he's found the truth. He bats a paw at the silver stream. A tiny splash disrupts his dream. Leaps back quick with a startled yo. Water fights back with a playful scowl. Louie's eyes like saucers now. The question hangs, just why and how? Drip, drip, drop, oh Louie, stop. Water wiggles, it loves to hop. Drip, drip, drop, a sparkling spree. Louie wonders what sorcery. Is it alive or just a ghost? Is it magic or science most? Louie's whiskers twitch with pride. The faucet flows, he won't decide. Drip, drip, drop, oh Louie, stop. Water dances, it just won't flop. Drip, drip, drop, a liquid loop. Louie stares like he's found the truth.
This is Louie reminding you to like, subscribe, and tell your friends.